Patay mali siya. Ayo.
Ay, naka-record na po yan.
Kaya kasi mainit ang araw eh. Ngayon, nagkausap kami ni attorney. Ang ganda kung libre lahat. Lise lang. Eh di, ano lang. Kaya bukas, ang sabihin ko kay Boyet, na kami talaga dito mga to.
Oo.
Yung April 9, yung apo ko, dadalhin ko talaga sa...
Anak na baby?
Oo!
Pwede na ba i-travel yun?
Siyempre!
2 buwan eh, pwede na ba yun?
Oo!
Okay.
Ngayon, kung libre lahat doon, okay!
Basta sabi ni
I
Boyet.
love that smile!
Sabi ni
Yeah.
Boyet.
Ano sa English yung, Martin? When you send me the one, this one?
Eyeglasses?
Eyeglasses?
Shade.
Yeah. The JD is very, what? Very, ano tawag to? Handsome.
Pang malaki
You,
yan.
you tell, JD, na when we pass by, mag-English ka naman ba,
JT, you're very cute. Bata pa, cute.
when we pass by into your drinking place.
I met Lolo Greg.
Yes. Na, JT is know you.
Not me.
Okay?
Okay, no problem.
Nakuha ta. Ayan.
See you in New York next year.
Ayun.
Your Lolo, ha? No, not me, you.
Kaya nga, you tell JT. JT, this is your lolo.
I'm your
Na
Lolo.
when we pass by in Talipapa. Na, you focus the camera.
Next year, your Lolo Greg will go to New York.
Yes.
He'll meet you there. And you will going to pasyal-pasyal in the carruaje.
Bicycle.
Bicycle.
Tulak.
Tulak.
Pustro. Okay?
See you next year. Katie.
Dete, I love you. I love your smile. Okay.